Last school year, Kyle Smith was an avid soccer player whose goal was to play all 4 years. But after a very successful indoor and outdoor track season, he decided to make the switch from the field to the forest.
I think the thing that made me move to cross country from soccer was the team atmosphere. I love all the people that do track and they run, and we're all just really good friends. I did track last year, but I think joining cross country really influenced how I was going to run this season.
Running during cross country season allowed Kyle to make huge improvements, as he qualified for states in the 800 meter and is on the varsity 4x800 meter relay team.
For the 800, I'd like to possibly break 2.
Kyle hopes to achieve the goal of breaking 2 minutes in the 800 meter, and this is largely possible thanks to one man.
I think the biggest influence that I've had was Coach Benzinski. He was a really good coach for cross country, and then now that he joined track.
Coach Benzinski has been a cross-country coach for many years, but has decided to help out with the track team this year and has his thoughts about Kyle.
And Kyle is a good example of one of the best, most improved runners that I coach. Right now, Kyle's right on that 2-minute barrier, and he just needs pace, because pace makes the race. So in other words, at the halfway point, there needs to be a fast enough time at the halfway point so that he can get that 2-minute time.
Kyle has continued to work hard on this track as he prepares for the state meet this Tuesday at Middletown. From MHS Television, this has been Seth Richards reporting.